Okay. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and
Jamie.
you're Jamie, and we are going to do a funny sound competition. And
You comment who wins.
You comment who wins. Yeah. Okay, ready? Ready? Let me tilt the camera to see. Okay, ready?
You go first.
Oh, by the way, I'm Elizabeth, so, yeah.
Let me think.
Wig.
I don't have any more.
Well, guess what?
What?
I'm Johnny Appleseed and I like apples.
Nice to know.
Bye.